Guten Morgen everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to make my favorite focaccia and pizza recipe. It is very easy to make, an idea when you're traveling because you'll only need a bowl, a cup and a spoon. The first thing that we're going to do is a Poolish, which is a pre-ferment that will give the dough all the strength, aroma and flavor, making it super light. We simply make it with a cup of flour, a cup of water and a pinch of yeast. We place everything in a bowl, mix well and then cover it. We are going to let it rise peacefully with this view for around 4 hours or until it is full of bubbles. Now that we have the Poolish ready, we transfer it to a slightly larger bowl and add 5 more cups of the same flour, then a cup of rice flour and a cup of fine semolina, then a little more yeast and 4 cups of water. With a spoon, we incorporate everything well until there are no lumps, and then cover it. We'll let it rest for 1 hour. Perfect! Now we add a little bit of salt and then let it rest again for another 30 minutes. As you can see, the dough is quite sticky, so I recommend kneading at intervals of 15 minutes. We knead a little, let it rest, knead again, and rest again one more time. We repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the dough gradually becomes smoother. Okay, it's time to give it some final touches on the countertop. Cover it and refrigerate it overnight till tomorrow. Meanwhile, I'll enjoy this hot cup of coffee with a view. Let's take the dough out of the fridge. I want you to please look at this incredible magic of fermentation. I sprinkle some semolina on the table and gently stretch the dough. I also sprinkled some semolina on the baking tray. I place the dough there with care, and it's a good time to preheat the oven and let the dough rise. The dough is ready, perfectly risen. Now a touch of olive oil. The idea is to cover it well. And here comes my favorite part, those gentle presses with the fingers. Now a sprinkle of sea salt and we go straight to the oven for 30 minutes or until golden brown. And here we have it again. Wow, listen to this. Even crispier and more airy, impossible. Here's where the secret lies, the Poolish. Now let's go with the delicious pepperoncino pesto. And of course an excellent Italian prosciutto. And we cannot forget more olive oil. And take a look at that sandwich. And of course at that view too. But as I said, this dough is a 2-in-1, so now it's pizza time. Time to preheat that grill. Now I unmold it onto the countertop with plenty of semolina. And divide it into 4 pieces. Look at the amount of air the dough has. Now I place it on this sort of board and gently stretch it. Now I place it on the hot grill and cover it for a few minutes. The idea is to grill it just on one side, in which we are going to place all the toppings. The thickness of the pizza will depend on what you prefer. We have it. Let's go back inside. Now, on the grill side, we'll add some tomato sauce, a bit of salt, and grate some Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to finish it with this delicious mozzarella, which is a smoked cheese that I really like. Ready, I have it. Now I place it on the grill, close the lid until the cheese is melted. And here we have it. Incredible! And the view is even better. Final touches of Tuscan spices. And let's taste it. And as you know, may the gluten be with you. And I leave you with more images of this incredible Amalfi Coast. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.